风气
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hello, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。
今天我背这个天色阴阴暗暗，天是乌阴乌阴。
刚刚讲什么？天色
阴阴暗暗的。
哦，看起来要下大雨，对不对？
嘿，天色乌阴乌阴。
天色乌阴乌阴。
看起来会落太意了。
会落太意了，要下大雨，要落雨了，对不对 ？It's gonna rain。最近呢，真的都会下雨啊，所以要呼吁大家要带好雨伞哦。
亚伯的都会落雨，
亚伯的都会落雨。
我记得带仔，
我记得带仔。So cool. Now you know how to describe the weather when it's raining, especially when it's dark. 阴阴暗暗叫做
乌阴乌阴，
不阴不阴，然后下大雨。
落太意，
落太意 the umbrella 雨伞。
仔。
And there you go. When it's rain, we hope that you have your proper rain gear. And that does it for today's Daily Hakka.
什么太港？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.